I'm Molly with the Coastal Watershed Council, and welcome to the San Lorenzo River. If you look behind me, that's the San Lorenzo River. If we flew upstream, you will see the Riverside Bridge, and just past it, the stadium where the Santa Cruz Warriors play. And then behind me, we can see the log ride and the giant dipper of the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk. And if we looked right next to the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk, we would see that the San Lorenzo River empties into the Monterey Bay National Marine Sanctuary. So why are we here at the river? This is one of the most important environmental features of Santa Cruz. And we're going to be exploring about what we can do to help protect the San Lorenzo River, our neighborhoods, and our community. So why should we care about this river? If you live around Santa Cruz, you're likely to get your drinking water from this river. This river is also home to lots of fish, bugs, plants that live along the river, and like you heard, this river flows into the ocean. So if you like to swim at the beach, play at the beach, or if you like to swim in the ocean, it's important that we have healthy river water so that the ocean stays healthy as well. All right, so let's start a lesson overview of the power of erosion. Our guiding question for this lesson unit is, how can humans reduce the causes and effects of erosion on the San Lorenzo River? To help you answer the guiding question, you will make observations of erosion using a model, explain the causes and effects of erosion, compare techniques scientists and engineers have created to control erosion, and you'll do an action project to help control erosion. We're going to do an overview of the first lesson you're going to do as part of the Power of Erosion lesson series. By now, you're on step 1. You've started to watch this video, which is going to give you an overview of this lesson series. So after you finished watching this video, you're going to move on to step 2. This is mindfulness, and you're going to click to watch a YouTube video, and hey, you're going to join me as we do some yoga at the San Lorenzo River. Step 3 is to share what you already know. So you're going to click on a Google form, and it's going to look like this: the Power of Erosion PreSurvey. Now, like it says here, it's okay if you do not know the answers right now. You can make your best guess, or you can check off I don't know if you're unsure of the answer. You're going to be learning the answers to the questions that are in here during this lesson program. So let's just kind of scroll down through here quickly. You're going to type your name in, you're going to type in what your teacher's name is, and then you're going to get to a series of yes or no questions. Yes or no, I can help control stream bank erosion. And you would check off one of those. If you think you can help stream bank erosion, you click yes. If you're like, what? I don't know what those words mean, you can click I don't know. Okay? So let's keep on scrolling down here so you can get a better sense of what you're going to be answering. PreSurvey. You're going to click here for the Power of Erosion Student Journal. So it might have you go to the area where it says Open Link. And this is what the journal looks like. And what we're doing in this step is we're actually just saving it to our computer. So I have a Mac, so mine is going to be up here where it says File, export as PDF, and I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it to my folder. So I'm going to click Save, and that's going to be saving to your computer. Now, your teacher may have printed out this journal for you, so you may not need to save it to your computer. Check in with your teacher about that. Now let's move on to the next step. So the next step is to look at a couple of different pictures. You can click here to view some pictures of a stable stream bank. Okay, so let's scroll down here. We're looking at pictures of a stable stream bank. And we're going to go back to that Google Doc, and we're going to look at pictures of an unstable stream bank. Okay, so these are pictures of an unstable stream bank. After we've looked at those pictures, we're going to go to the first activity in our journal. So I'm going to look for the number 1 in our journal, and it's this one right here. I notice, I wonder, it reminds me of. So after you've looked closely at the pictures of a stable and an unstable stream bank, you can write down what you noticed, what you wonder, and what it reminds you of when you looked at the pictures. Now, if you want to look at the pictures again, you can click at this and it will actually bring you to those pictures. Okay? Oop. Now, you can type in here. So I noticed there were lots of trees along the stream bank. And I noticed in the unstable, I noticed that there were no trees along the stream bank. Maybe you noticed that too. You can write that down. Maybe you notice something different. I wonder, one of the things I wonder about is why are the trees helpful in a stream bank? I wonder, for an unstable stream bank, why are there no trees? Oops, why are there no trees? And then you'll also write down some things that it reminds you of. The top stream bank reminded me of a river I used to visit with my family. Okay? So you'll do this as well with your own things that you noticed, you wondered, and reminds you of. That is the final activity for lesson number 1. And all the steps are here in the lesson hyperdoc. Thanks everyone. Enjoy doing lesson number 1.